जळगाव जिल्हा शिक्षक प्रशिक्षण संस्थेतर्फे आयोजित माझा जिल्हा माझा उपक्रम या उपक्रमाअंतर्गत इंग्रजी विषयाच्या ईच वन टीच वन इंग्लिश या उपक्रमाद्वारे विद्यार्थ्यांच्या इंग्रजी विषयाची भीती कशी घालवता येईल या संदर्भामध्ये मी हा उपक्रम राबविलेला आहे. त्या उपक्रमासंदर्भात आपणास माहिती. Sit down. Thank you. Now I introduce how to develop 8 standard 8 English skill. Various skills like read, write, speak, listen and conversation. There are 45 students in 8D class and some students have a poor English, so that I have taken a project, the project like each one teach one English. In these project I have participated 45 students in 9 groups and there are 9 leaders. In one group there are 4 students, those who have weak in English language. They cannot speak, read, write, listen and conversation English very well. So that I have taken a project of each one teach one English. These groups are divided into 9. Each group have 4 students and there are total 36 students, 9 leaders and total 45 students. In these projects I have given one making a list. There are various type of questions the leaders have given to their students. In group, each group leader have a responsibility to take and to develop their group participant students. Suppose for example group 1 leader, she has taken lots of works from their students. She has given some words, some sentences, some essays, and in these which she can develop their English language. So nice participants of each and every students. Then in these academic years I have taken 8 essays. These essays are related to their 8 standards course book, that is my English book. First is myself, second is friend album, third is rainy season, fourth is conversation, 5 watching TV merits and demerits, 6 is letter writing, 7 story writing, 8 translation. All these are essays I have taken in 8 standard D division. Each and every essay we have to chit chat with each other. They can making a small sentence while conversation, while chatting, while making a essay. In this way there are so nice of class and I am proud of this 8 standard 8 class. Why? Because all these 45 students can read, write and understand English language very well. So that this project is helpful for 8D students. How it is helpful? The student can talk with me in English. They can read, write and speak English very well. They can make sentences, simple sentence they can make through by these projects. So I have next introduced all these students. They have taken participant and leaders. They can work out their students homework. They have given homework, check it. They can practicing. In this way each and every student, each one teach one English. Successful project in 2017 and 2018 academic year.
Understand English language to develop purpose to develop of to these skills. Really this project is very helpful to develop to English language. Thank you.
Very good. Then who will tell me her experiences about how she can do and how she can work out their students. Group leader, hands up, those who are sharing.
Hello friends, myself Divya Vinod Patil. I study in 8th standard division D. Our English teacher has given very different type of test in which we have practiced type of questions so that to develop primary knowledge of English. Questions like word puzzle, opposite words, synonym words, one word questions type, grammar questions, one words and same pronunciation.
Yes, she has taken different type of question for the practicing for the students.
Really, we always like solve these tests. Thank you.
Tell me.
Hello friends, myself is Ritika Sunil Thakur. Our English teacher Miss Devag ma'am. He's given and check our English start sub classwork and homework.
In this way, she has taken, given so many questions to the student.
Regularly start
She has regularly checking each and every group students' notebook.
if we do this work that
By heart, she has doing all this work.
Conversations. Conversation.
Very good.
You do not nickel to punter extra classes to and do ready-made material guide so it is nice and create working for all the students. Thank you.
Clap for her. Why you are clapping for her? She is telling that if she do like this, there is no need of any extra classes or extra tuitions. No use of any ready material like digest and guide.
Hello, myself Diya Patil. I study in 8th standard division D. Our English teacher Miss Devang ma'am has taught us giving to different types of essays. Myself, friends album, rainy season, conversation, watching TV merits, letter writing, story writing, translation. Really, this essay of develop to our writing skill.
Very good. She is telling that at that type of we have taken the essays in which we develop our writing skill. There are 8 types. There are 4 to 5 students can share with me. Then I will show you their various type of notebooks. I will show you. Yes, these are the text book. Yes, text book is there. What type of books is leader book? She is a leader and she has taken lots of exercise in this way. Homework, lots of homeworks she has given. How many homeworks she has given? 18, 19, 20, 21. My God. Total. See, total 83 type of homeworks from June to January. She has worked out from her group and she has completed her essay books like these. Group leader. She can maintain the diary. In this diary, there are, I think, 4 students in your group. 4 students in your group? Yes. These are the names of the group leader, and time to time she has check out these, and those who are not do, she has given punishment. In this type of punishment, she told to them, write an essay, write a paragraph, make a list. Those who are not completed homework in time to time, she gives us the punishment, and the punishment is very nice. The punishment like that: make a paragraph, make a list, test given. Okay, then next, types of books. Group leader. She is also group leader. Her name is Komal Sandeep Sonone. The group is group leader. She has also given lots of homework to their participant student. Day to day, time to time, she also check the homework of the participant student. Sulekhan, at the time 26/9/2017, in Sulekhan book she has given homework total from I think 3/11/18. She has taken last test at the date of 3/11, means November 17. And okay, next. Divya is also group leader. She has there are 4 students. The name of the students, each one teach one project. Name of the students and how she work out, and she has given lots of homework to their participant students, like these rhyming words, animal name, birds names. Then make a few lines related to the father, mother, family. Write ing form. School related make list. Opposite words. Blackboard, whiteboard. Make a spellings. Few lines about parrot. Then computer words. List of the words which is related to the computer. Then in this way she also do the hard work, and last date of she has taken 1/1/2018 at that time, and the date of 3/1/2018 she has given homework to their participant students. Make an essay, write a few lines on fruit. Okay, next. Next, yes, okay. Next is students is leader is Varsha Samadhan Baviskar. You are a group leader? No, she is not group leader but the participant, and she can do all these works who group leader is telling to her. See, first Barakhadi, read and write and learn Barakhadi. Next, show me. Then name of the colors, city name, flowers name, fruits names, A to Z spelling, English day. Then name of the spelling starts with S. Myself. Girls names, boys names, animal, vegetable. Time to time check, and in this way she can do the homework by heart. Now all of the students hands up their various type of notebooks, showing me these all types of notebooks. Show me. See, there are types of notebooks: essay notebook, project notebook, project leader notebook. How you feel? How you feel? Good or bad? Good. Very well. In this way you learn English language very well. Yes or no? Yes. Thank you.